There are two news coming from Higgsfield.ai, and trust me, you cannot afford to miss any of both. So yeah, this video is going to be very useful, so stay till the end of the video. I'm Aditya and you're watching SkillCurb. So let's talk about the first news is that they posted a tweet recently on X, and it's a very vague tweet. So say introducing Higgsfield Records, the first AI record label with our first AI idol, Kaon. Multi-million-dollar contracts already in motion, and they also added a video with the post, which is a 42-second video. So let's watch this first.
Tryna play pretend, you wish you could do it again, so baby let me take it from here. I'm the person you wanna be. It's clear you wish you were me. It's just not your time. Better luck next time.
Okay, so as you proceeded to watch the video, one thing you can notice is it's looking like a music video with a K-pop artist. And yes, that is the point of the whole tweet and Higgsfield entire record label thing. So yeah, if you don't get it even now, let me explain you this news in a very brief manner. So you already know it's a startup in San Francisco based. So Higgsfield is already having too many models in their website for making different AI effects, videos. We already covered a lot about them in our previous videos. So if you don't know about them, check them out. So now the Kaon is designed to do it all. So it's singing, dancing, even managing their own marketing. So the label claims that within just 24 hours of Kaon's debut, they secured a $50 million contract and $1 million endorsement deal with Fendi. So that's faster than most human artists could ever drop a single debut, right? So the Higgsfield is not stopping here. So let me tell you, they are opening the doors for anyone to become the next AI idol. Their campaign is blunt, no talent required, your face is enough. All you need to do is quote tweet their announcement and fill out a form. If you don't know, you can see the screen right now. I have opened the form, and let me talk about this form later. Okay, so all you need to do is quote their tweets, and that's it. And all take care of AI singing, dancing, performance, and everything. So now, to be clear, this is not the first time AI or virtual idols have appeared. And the twist is the Higgsfield claims that Kaon actually holds equity in the label, and that's a stark contrast to the traditional K-pop industry, right? Where artists are often tied to restrictive contracts and little bit ownership. So yeah, I think it's a very symbolic move, like when artists actually have an equity right now, which is an AI artist, by the way. So yeah, if this is true, like this is the future of music, maybe yeah. On the one hand, AI idols never get tired, never age, and they don't do casual scandals. So I think they can churn out songs and performance endlessly. On the other hand, music has always been a human connection. So maybe people don't like it much, but maybe who knows, like we started liking these AI artists. Maybe one day we actually do. So yeah, this is very opinion stuff. We can put it aside, but one thing you can see is Higgsfield actually did something interestingly new which we were not expecting. Okay, so now we will go to the page of records.higgsfield.ai. So this is the official page they tweeted, and this is seriously very interesting. You can see it become the next global idol, and you can just scroll it down and you can see that video of the Kaon. And okay, this looks really cool. And one thing you can notice is a closer look at our own first idol, Kaon. So this is the photos of her, and they actually uploaded it. And the next thing you can see is your steps to becoming the next idol. So they're actually promoting it. So you have to fill a form to become an idol. And yes, there's nothing in this page, just an apply now button. Okay, once we click on apply now button, we will have to wait and it will load our form. And now you can see Higgsfield AI Global Music Label Application Form, where creativity meets cutting edge AI, and just simply click on apply button and it takes 1 minute. Okay, so this is the page name. You have to enter your mail. Okay, once you click on your name, you can see your desired income in next month. So next 6 months. So once you click here, you can see they're asking you desired income in next month. Okay, let's do it 200k and see what's going on. Okay, so you have to put your profile of your ex, and that's very interesting. You can put your profile, that's totally up to you. Okay, once you click on your social media profile, they will ask your social media profile like YouTube or anything at the rate. You can just put it here, that's totally okay. And again, they'll ask your age, and that's it, simple, just like your age. So I think what can see, the form is pretty generic. They're asking very generic details, which I don't know what they're gonna use here. So you have to enter your height, weight, or physical data. And let's see, your form has been submitted. We will review it and get back to you. You can join their Discord and all that stuff for. So yeah, this is the entire form you have to fill. I filled it, I don't know why, just for showcase and demonstration purpose. So yeah, this is that entire form. They gonna ask you about your age, your income, your future want. This is all they asked. So yeah, let's see what they do in future. I'll let you know. Okay, let's talk about another news that is coming from Higgsfield. That is same app. So they generated Nano Banana's upgraded version. Yeah. So if you don't know about Nano Banana, so let me tell you, the Nano Banana is a very interesting Google model that helps you to edit image with the help of AI. So yeah, you can see this example right now. So they just simply upload an image. It can change cloth. It can change a lot of things. Just simple. So it's a Google AI model, and it's really powerful. So what the Higgsfield did is they actually made it unlimited free banana model for 1 year. So if you have a subscription of the Higgsfield, you can get it for free, unlimited. So this is really interesting. So this offer is for Higgsfield Pro and creator users. Like 365 days, you'll get unlimited free creation of the Nano Banana. So yeah, you can go and check it out. And now let's see some of the videos example to get you an idea what Higgsfield did with this new model. So let's see the first example. Okay, so this is Ryan Gosling's Barbie movie, and it replaces the face with Donald Trump. Yeah, that's simple. US president with a simple movie. I know it's sounding a little bit censorship issues, but no, it is totally restriction free. So yeah, you can use anyone's face and do a lot of creative stuff. It's totally up to you and creativity, but this looks really interesting. We have so many videos to talk about. Let's see another video. So another video we have is very cool. Okay, so you can see right now on your screen. So this is the scene from movie called Once Upon in Hollywood, and you can see the Leonardo DiCaprio's and Brad Pitt's image has been replaced by the Trumps and Joe Biden. And look at the side profile. Okay, but this Higgsfield and Banana collaboration made it really cool. The side profile of those, like especially the Joe Biden, is looking damn accurate. Okay, how they did that exactly? Okay, so another image, we have a Breaking Bad where they replaced Elon Musk with Walter White and Jesse Pinkman with the Mark Zuckerberg. Wow, very cool friendship they both have. And honestly, this made me realize like this is insane collaboration ever happened I see in AI. Well, okay, so this is a Kendrick Lamar, if I can say so. So it's been replaced by Drake. Yeah, they're, if you don't know, they have a very beef with each other. So yeah, they don't like each other and they replaced it. There's an example. Okay, another image, we have a Godfather's image here. They replaced with Trump and Elon Musk. I'm telling you, the side profile and every angle of the video looks really insane. So yeah, the banana model is doing absolutely crazy with Higgsfield, and you can use it for free, by the way. They have do it unlimited 1 year. And now they replace Joker with Batman. Okay, so you can see this guy is crying. I don't know his name, but it is replaced by Will Smith. And you can see, right, the clothes are same, the background are same, the expressions are same. Just the photo has been replaced with very accurate way. So I can say right now, I'm really, really impressed the way this model is doing, and the examples I've shown is also very accurate. Let's say another video where they replace with another image with another guy, and honestly, when you see that whenever they move their face, it doesn't look like they are like faking face swap. The face swap looks really original, and that makes me question a lot of stuff. Okay, this one is one of my favorites. So this is a movie of, I think, the Wolf of Wall Street, and what, look, the Margaret Robbie has been replaced by Leonardo DiCaprio. This is insanely funny, and I don't know how they even allowed it, or I don't know how, but what's the censorship issue here, but honestly good. And another, the final one is here, we replaced Zuckerberg's face with Spider-Man. Yeah, I know it doesn't make any sense, but this is the example you need to know. So So now you have an idea how exactly Higgsfield doing right now, in this AI arena. And I'm very sure Higgsfield have tons of new things to coming along. So you have to follow this channel right now, by the way. Go into it. Okay, now let's talk about how we can use this model on Higgsfield. Okay, so if you have a premium subscription of it, you don't need to do anything. Simply click here, Higgsfield.ai image Nano Banana model. And yes, you have to click here and you can select the Nano Banana model. If you don't know, this is a premium model. So you have to be a subscription. But after that, you can click on unlimited and you'll get unlimited. So you can come here. For example, I said video game and uploaded Elon Musk's photo. And once you click here, you can upload 8 photos, by the way. So the maximum limit is 8 photos, which itself is a very big number in my opinion. So I just said, Elon Musk, make him play video game. Okay, I think this is enough. Just simply click on generate button and you can see the photo. That's really cool. Actually, I'm very impressed the way it, without any restriction, censorship, it just generated, because most of the AIs always say no, some policies, issues, but now they did it. Okay, so these two were latest updates from Higgsfield. I hope you enjoyed it, because these two updates are really significant in AI's arena, and you can go and try banana model because it's a really limited deal. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.